Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to simply use the insert key on your ACER Predator 17. So the insert key is located on the keyboard. In my case it's marked as INS, just an abbreviation. Although sometimes it will be in different languages, it may be different, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. So it's used for text editors. That's why I'm gonna open Notepad. And if you type something in, like let's say name and several dots, then without the insert key, if you position your cursor at the beginning, you'll just shift the dots. But instead, if you press on the insert key, you'll see that it replaces. It should be replacing it. For some reason it isn't. But believe me, it should be replacing these dots, and it really just would replace them. For some reason it does not. And yeah, that's basically it. I don't know why it doesn't work, honestly. Maybe it's some configuration here that I have. I'm not really sure. And yeah, that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.